Jerry, this is Cherie at Tameron Hyundai. I hope you had a beautiful holiday. The next one is coming New Year's Eve. And what better way to celebrate that by having this 2014 Santa Fe in your driveway. Come on in, let's take a closer look. As you can see, it is in great condition. The body is in great condition. You have partial rails on the top of it. You have the Hyundai chrome grille in the front. Projector headlights with LED lights. You have fog lights. Really great tires. As you go down the side of the vehicle, you'll notice that the body is in excellent condition. It has a spoiler in the back as well. As we go into the interior, you'll notice that it's cloth interior, beige in color. On the steering wheel for hands-free, you have Bluetooth capability, cruise control, as well as you can adjust your music, but you also have this little feature here which allows you to change the mode of the steering from normal, comfort, and sport. When you come in, we can go a little bit more over that. You have an extra little compartment here to put things away and keep them out of harm's way. You have a CD play, FM, AM radio, great heat for the winter, which is what we need right now, and it works wonderfully. And you have cold air for the summer, but more importantly, you have heated seats for the driver and passenger. Jerry, I know you saw the price of this vehicle, and I know you saw how wonderful this Sport is online. It's even better in person. It has a backup camera as well. All the amenities you need in one in a SUV. So what I need you to do is come on down today to 1591 Montgomery Highway in Hoover, right across from the big Wells Fargo Bank on Highway 31. Come on down and beat the rush, or give me a call to let me know what time you can come in today after work, because we are open until 8 p.m. That number is 205-380-6250, or text me on my cell phone what time you'll be here, and I'll have it waiting for you with the heat going high. That number is 205-702-1029. Jerry here at Tameron Hyundai. You are going to love the way you treat it. I can't wait to see you.